In this video, we will guide you through the straightforward process of managing and tracking your job applications on Indeed. So whether you're actively applying or just curious about your application status, we've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So begin by signing into your Indeed account, and once signed in, you will have access to various features to manage your job applications. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page, and this will trigger a drop-down menu, and in the drop-down menu, select the My Jobs option. This action directs you to the overview page where you can manage your job-related activities. Now on the My Jobs overview page, you will find a menu panel. Now within this panel, locate and select Applied, and this will filter and display a list of all the jobs to which you've submitted applications. The list you see is dynamic and updates in real time as potential employers review your application. So as your application progresses through the hiring stage, you will witness it moving from the applied folder to subsequent folders like interviewing, offered, and eventually hired. And that's it. Easily manage and track your job applications on Indeed with these simple steps. Whether you're awaiting response or celebrating job offers, the My Jobs feature keeps you in the loop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.